Okay.
Okay, sir.
Coordinate geometry has developed by René Descartes. He is a French mathematician. Cartesian plane is also called XY plane or coordinate plane. The coordinates like X and Y. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First coordinate is called X. First coordinate
Yes, correct.
is called X. This is equal to this is called Abissa. Okay.
Okay.
Cartesian plane is called XY plane. The coordinate like XY. The first coordinate is called X. Second coordinate is called Y. First coordinate is called X. This is called Abissa. Please be noted.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yes. Coordinate geometry was developed by René Descartes. He is a French mathematician. Cartesian plane is called XY plane, like coordinates like XY. First coordinate is X, that is called Abissa.
Okay.
స్పెల్లింగ్ అది అర్థం కావట్లేదు సార్, మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్. అబిస్సా స్పెల్లింగ్.
ABSCI, ABSCI, double SA.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Okay. Completed?
1 minute, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
5 minutes.
Okay, okay.
1 minute.
సార్ అబిస్సా అనేది ఫస్ట్ కోఆర్డినేట్ పేరా సార్?
Yes, yes. In every pair of coordinates, first one is X and next one is compulsory Y.
సార్ ఆ బిస్సా స్పెల్లింగ్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
ABSCI,
ABSCI SSA. ఓకే సార్.
SSA.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
Okay, okay.
కంప్లీటెడ్.
Yes. Second coordinate is Y. This is also known as ordinate. Okay. In every coordinates, first coordinate is must and should compulsory x-axis, x coordinate, and next one is y. X is also known as abissa, y is also known as ordinate.
Alternate.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
Yes,
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
yes, the coordinates like xy, first coordinate is x, this is called abissa, and secondly, second coordinate is y, this is also known as ordinate. Example 2 3 minus 4 5 6 minus 7. Abissa ordinate. What is abissa and what is coordinate?
2 abissa is 2, ordinate 3.
Yes,
Minus 4 is abissa, 5 is ordinate.
yes.
6 is abissa, minus 7 is ordinate.
Yes, okay, okay. The intersection of x-axis is the intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. Okay. Intersection of x-axis, both x-axis and y-axis is called origin.
Completed sir.
Yes, according to graph, this is called x-axis, this is y-axis. X-axis and y-axis is intersection. This is called origin.
The
Origin is 0 0. X-axis 0, y-axis 0, and the abissa 0, and the ordinate also 0. This is equal to this point origin.
okay sir.
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా సార్?
Yes. This is example 2 3 minus 4 5 6 minus 7. First one compulsory x point abissa, and secondly ordinate. Abissa is 2 and ordinate 3. Minus in 4 5. In minus 4 is abissa and 5 is ordinate. 6 minus 7. 6 is abissa, minus 7 is ordinate. The intersection of x and y axis is called origin. Like this diagram. According to the graph, in x-axis, in y-axis, both are intersect. This point is, this location is called origin, that is point 0 0. I mean x 0 and y point 0.
Completed sir.
Yes,
Completed sir.
first formula. The distance between
Page number and
firstly write formulas, and next exercise problems. I do the exercise problems. Okay. The distance between two points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Once the distance between 2 points, actually points are x and y. This is equal to 2 points. So 1 and 2, x1, y1 and x2, y2. The distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, once explain. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్.
Yes, the distance between 2 points. Actually coordinates like x and y. Okay. You also known as x is abyssa and y is ordinate. This is equal to 2 points. So 2 points like 1 1 1 2 x1 y1 and x2 y2. That is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Okay, second formula.
Completed, sir.
Okay. In page number 167, exercise 7.1 is all the sums are based on this formula. Exercise 7.1. Page number 167. Okay, firstly, completed exercise 7.1. Only based on this formula. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, sir.
Another formula, sir, tomorrow explain. First formula based on the sums. Page 167, exercise 7.1. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. Find the distance between two points.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
First one.
నేను వీడియో ఆన్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా సార్?
Huh?
పేపర్ వేస్తున్నాను సార్. పేపర్ అయిపోయిన వెంటనే వీడియో ఆన్ చేస్తాను మీకు.
Nagasai, mute, volume mute. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Find the distance between the following pairs of points. First one, 2, 3, 4, 1.
4-1.
Okay. This is equal to which point? X1.
X1.
This is equal to,
Y1.
yes. This is equal to,
X2.
yes. This is equal to
Y2.
Okay. Identify the this one, X1 and Y1, X2 and Y2. Jagdish, volume mute check. Yes. Distance between 2 points. Okay, formula. Root of x2 minus x1 whole
1
square
plus
plus y2 minus y1 whole
whole
square.
square.
This is equal to x2.
2.
x2
4, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Next, yes, next minus
2, sir.
and
Minus
x1.
2
Yes, bracket
whole square
closed here.
Whole
Whole
square.
square
plus
y2 1
1
minus
1, sir. 1 minus
3.
3, sir.
Whole
Whole square.
Okay. 4 minus 2 whole square means 2 square plus
2 square
1
plus
minus
plus
3
2
minus
square
3 is biggest, so minus 2.
minus 2 square.
Yes. 2 square means 4. Minus is square
Minus.
even number, so minus is also plus. 2 square means 4.
2 in
This is equal to root 8. That's all.
plus 4 is equal to
Root 8.
yes, sir.
Yes. The sum is problem is find the distance between 2 points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Firstly you identify what is x1, what is y1, what is x2 and what is y2. Firstly, starting point is x1. This is Abisa, and next secondly y1. Given 2 points, so x1 and x2. x1, y1. Also x2, y2. Distance between 2 points root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where x1 is equal to y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 4, y2 is equal to 1. Okay. x2 minus x1 whole square, where x2 is equal to 4. Next minus, next x1 2 bracket closed square. Next plus y2 1. Next minus y1 3 whole square. Root of 4 minus 2 means 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. 3 is biggest number, that is sign is minus. 1 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. 2 square. 2 square plus 2 square means 4 plus minus square formation, the power notation square, even. So minus is also a converting into plus. So 2 square is equal to 4. 4 plus 4, root 8. Okay.
సార్ రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుందేమో.
Yes, cancel అవుతుంది చెప్తా. Okay, finish.
ఓకే సార్.
Root 8. Root 8 is equal to factors of 8.
2
Which
cubes.
one? Which least one?
2 cubes సార్.
2. Yes, 2. Very good. 2, 2, 2. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Okay? 2 into 2.
4, sir.
4 means 2. Square root of 4. This one is no root. So root 2. That's all.
సార్
Okay. Root 8 is equal to 8 factors 2 cube. Root 2 into 2 into 2. Every two numbers, you square root 2. 2 into 2 means root 4. Root 4 is also 2. 2 is no root. So, root 2. Roman 1 to 15. 15 sums are based on same formula. Only this formula. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Second, first Roman in the second. Minus 5, 7. And minus 1,
Sir,
3.
minus
Second one, minus 5, 7, minus 1 and 3. You identify the what is x1, what is y1.
Yes, sir.
Minus 5 is x1, sir.
Minus 5 is x1, sir.
Yes,
7 is
7 is y1, sir.
yes,
Y1. Minus 1 is x2.
X2, sir.
3 is y2.
very good. Yes, distance between 2 points. Formula.
sir.
Root x1 minus x2 whole square plus
x2
y1 minus y2 whole
plus
square.
y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay,
Y1 whole square.
okay. What is x2?
Minus 1, sir.
Minus 1, sir.
Yes, minus 1. Next minus.
Minus 5.
What is x1?
Minus 5.
Yes, this is equal to minus 5. Now, this minus is formula minus. This minus is coordinate minus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
This
sir.
closed square.
Whole square. Yes.
Watch carefully. x2. x2 means minus 1 minus. This is equal to this minus. This
7.
x1 is minus 5. This one. Okay. Plus
Okay, sir.
y2. 3
3, sir.
minus
7.
y1 is also
7, sir.
so minus. Okay.
7 whole square
Minus 1. Minus into minus.
plus
Plus 5 whole square plus
4 whole square.
minus 4, sir.
yes
Minus
very
4
good.
whole
Minus
square.
7 minus 4
minus 4
whole
whole
square.
square.
Yes.
Demo 4 whole square plus
Yes, 4 minus 4
4
whole square. 7 is large number. That sign is minus. Which is difference? 7 minus 3, 4. నాగమణి హరిని వాల్యూమ్ మ్యూట్ చేయండి బాలాజీ ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ today we practice all the sums are based on this formula. Okay, only one formula.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
Entire exercise is also Roman 1 to Roman 15. That is page number 167 to 168. You practice some more sums. Then no difficulty.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. First Roman, first one and second one. Okay. Next. Completed. Minus 1 plus 5 whole square. That is equal to 4 whole square plus.
Plus minus 4 whole square.
Very good. 4 whole square.
4 into 4, 16.
16.
16
Plus-
plus minus 16.
No minus.
Plus 6.
Yes, plus 16. Because
Plus 16, sir.
power notation.
Minus
is,
into
even.
minus plus.
Yes. Root
Yes, sir.
32.
Minus into minus.
This is equal to 32 factorization. Least number is 2, 16. Same 2, 8, 4, 2,
4.
1, 2,
2 power
3,
5,
4, 5.
2 power 5, sir.
2 into
2,
2
2
into.
into.
Every two numbers, one number is perfect square. Okay, 2, 2, root 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 root 2. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. If any difficulty or any confusion, immediately you are identify the errors.
Yes,
One or
sir.
two,
ఆ లాస్ట్ లో ఉంది అర్థం
times, number of times I explain. Okay.
లాస్ట్ లో ఉంది సార్.
Yes. Root of 4 square plus minus 4 whole square. 4 whole square means 4 into 4, 16. Minus 4 whole square minus 4 into minus 4 minus already plus 4 into 4 also 16. Root 32 is simply 1 minute. (16 into 2). Root 32 is written as root 16 into 2. Okay?
ఓకే
2,
సార్.
16, 32. 16
Okay.
square root 4. This no square root. That is equal to root 2.
సార్ అలా రాసిన ఇలా
Square
రాసిన
cancel అవుతుంది, sir.
Yes?
Square root cancel అవుదా సార్ అసలు?
Square root ante every two numbers ki one number square root. Root a square means that is equal to a. Root 2 square means 1. 2 half vastayi bayatiki 2.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
కంప్లీట్ సార్.
సార్ లేరు.
Completed, sir.
సార్ లేరు.
Yes, yes, okay.
సార్
Yes.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
Okay, okay. In first Roman, first and second completed, third and fourth also do the homework.
ఓకే సార్.
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay.
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి.
First
Sir,
Roman
మళ్ళీ
in
చెప్పండి homework.
third and fourth. First
ఓకే
Roman,
సార్.
You compulsory practice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
First Roman, third and fourth.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, second Roman. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is 0, 0?
First zero is x1. Zero
Previously,
zero is origin.
X
yes,
Origin.
X
Zero zero
origin,
is origin.
origin that is 0, 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
The distance of a point the distance of a point xy from origin is root of x square plus y square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Given the data when origin and 1 point. So distance of a point xy from origin is root of x square plus y square. Not taken the 0 zeros, only numbering squaring. That is equal to
X
root of 36 square
plus
plus
50
15 whole square.
whole
36, 36. 1296 plus 225. That is equal to 1521. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Today I explained the only two formulas. One is the distance between 2 points root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole
And
square.
origin formula.
Other is given origin that point root of x square plus y square. These
Okay, sir.
two formulas based on only exercise 7.1 to 15 sums more.
Okay, sir.
You practice number of times and number of sums. Then automatically no difficulty. Okay.
Okay, sir.
There is no practice, no use.
సార్ జగదీష్ మైక్ ఆఫ్ చేయమనండి.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Root 15, 21. Factors of 15, 21. 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
3 into 3, 1 pair. 13 into 13. What is square root of 3 into 3?
9.
3. Okay. Given two values, one value is square root of one value, and 4 values given two values. So 3 into 3, 2 values. So one value of 3. Similarly, 13 into 13, 13. This
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 39.
Sir, మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా సార్?
Yes. 15, 21 factorization. Least table is 3. 3 is equal to 5, 3, 15. And 2, 0, 7, 3, 21. 3. 16, 3, 3, 48. 2 is 27, 9. 169, 13, 13, 169. So root of 3 into 3, this is equal to 1 pair into 13 into 13. Two values like root A into A, that is equal to A. Like root 2 into 2, this is equal to 2. Similarly, 3 into 3 means 3. Two values of 1. One value, that is equal to 3. 3 into 13 into 13, 13. 3 into 13, 39.
సార్ ఓకే
Yes? Okay.
మరి కింద స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఉండదా సార్? ఓకే సార్.
Completed?
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
Yes.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
ఓకే
Completed.
సార్.
Okay. Let us say the third Roman. Verify that the points points 1, 5, 2, 3 -2, -1 are collinear or not.
కొలీనియర్ అంటే ఏంటి?
Yes. Collinear or not. Collinear means points lie on points points lie on the same line are called collinear points. Like this one, A, B, C. All the points are same line. That is a straight line. That is collinear.
Okay, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. Yes, come to the problem.
Sir,
Verify that the yes, verify that the points, 3 points.
sir, ఒకసారి బ్యాక్ పేజ్ పెట్టండి సార్.
Yes. Collinear means points lie on the same line. All the points are same line. That is collinear.
ఓకే సార్, కంప్లీటెడ్.
Yes. Come to the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -1. Yes, first one. Given 2 points. One, 5 and 2, 3. Distance between 2 points 3 times. The sum is the 3 times the distance between 2 points. 1, 5, 2, 3, 1 pair. 2, 3, -2, -1, second pair. And also -2, -1 and 1, 5, third pair. All the pairs distance between 2 points are same answer. This is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Okay. Root of Satya.
Yes, sir.
Responded, please be responded. 1, 5, 2, 3. Root of
2 minus
2 minus
2 minus 1 whole square.
very good. 2 minus 1 whole square plus
3 minus 5 whole square.
3.
Whole square, sir.
yes 3 minus 5 whole square. Very good. What is 2 minus 1 whole square? 2 minus 1.
1.
One
Yes,
whole
sir.
square.
1 whole
Yes.
square.
Yes.
-2
Yes.
whole square.
Minus 2 whole square.
-2 whole square.
You compulsory minus is compulsory. Okay. You
Okay,
are
sir.
neglected minus. Answer is difference. 1 square means 1 plus -2. This is equal also even 4. Very good.
4,
This
sir.
is equal to root 5.
5,
Yes.
sir.
5.
Root 5.
Root 5.
Also given 2 points, finding 1, 5, 2, 3 and second pair. This is equal to these 2 points. And third is
Minus.
this.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay. Second pair. Second
-2
pair.
minus 1.
జగదీష్ మైక్ ఆఫ్ చేయి.
చేశాను.
Second pair 2, 3, minus 2, minus 1. Yes. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square.
Minus 2.
Yes, minus 2,
2, sir.
Minus
minus 2.
minus 2.
Okay,
Whole.
very good. Next.
Minus 1.
Minus
Ah.
1.
Whole. Minus 3 whole
Minus
square.
Okay. Minus 2 and minus 2.
4 square, sir.
Minus 4,
4.
sir.
Yes, both the signs equal, so minus 4 whole square plus
Plus
Minus
minus 4 whole square, sir.
plus 4
Very
whole
good.
square, sir.
this also even number, so minus is also plus 16 plus
16 plus
Minus
6,
16 whole
Square
square.
16
Minus
square,
16 plus
32, sir.
32, sir.
this is equal to 4 root 2.
4 root 2.
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా సార్
Yes, yes. Given 2 points, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1. 2 is identify x1, 3 is y1. Minus 2 is x2 and minus 1 is y2. That formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You write the formula incorrectly. Root of x2 minus x1 is not x1 minus x2. Okay. Second coordinate lo first coordinate తీయాలి in x's. Y coordinate second coordinate lo first coordinate less here. x2 minus x2 means minus 2. x1 means 2. That is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square. Already even number, power notation even number, so minus is converted into plus. 4 square means 16. Also 4 square means 16. Root 32. Root 32 means root 16 into 2. Square root 4. That is equal 4 root 2. Okay.
ఓకే సార్
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Final third one. Final third point. Hello.
ఆర్ నాట్ కొలినియర్
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
Okay. Second pair. 2, 3, minus 2, minus 1. This indicating x1, this indicating y1. Also x2, y2. Formula do root of x2 minus x1. x2 is minus 2 and minus x1 means 2 whole square plus y2 minus 1 y1 minus 3 whole square. Both signs are equal, so negative. Minus 4 whole square plus also minus 4 whole square. 4 square. Power notation is even number, so minus is changing into plus. 4 square means 16 plus minus 4 square means 16. 16 plus 16 root 32. Root 32 is equal to 2 into 16. 16 is square root 4 and 4 root 2. Okay.
ఓకే సార్
ఎస్ సార్.
Yes, third one. Third pair.
కొలినియర్ ఆర్ నాట్
Third pair. What is third pair?
ఆర్ కొలినియర్ ఆర్ నాట్
Yes, yes. Third pair find చేసాక అప్పుడు దాన్ని డిసైడ్ చేద్దాం.
ఎస్
Okay.
సార్. 1 5 minus 2 and 1 minus 1.
So minus 2 minus 1 1 5. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
according to diagram, that is equal to A, B, C. How many sides are this triangle?
3 సార్
3, sir.
Yes. What are they?
AB.
AB.
-2 -1
AB also find root 5, BC, that is 4 root 2, and CE. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. X2. X2 minus X1 whole square.
1 minus
1 minus
1 minus minus 2 sir.
minus
Whole square.
Yes. X2 minus X1. So, minus formula in minus, originality minus, also 1 minus adding. So, 2. Okay?
okay, sir.
Y2, 5. Minus is original minus and also minus. So, 1, 3, 6.
Nine sir.
9
plus
plus
1.
9 plus 36.
1. Okay.
This is equal to root 45. This is equal to root 9 into 5. Root 9 square root.
3, sir.
Very
3,
good.
sir.
3 cubes, sir.
3 root 5. Okay. First pair
Okay,
answer
sir.
is distance between 2 points. First pair is root 5. Okay. Second one 4 root 2. Third one 3 root 5. Is it collinear or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? Because all the points are not in same line.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir,
Root
3 root
5.
5 and sir.
Yes, 9 square root. 339. Root 5 is not equal to 4 root 2 is not equal to 3 root 5. These points are not collinear. Either the problem is the collinear, all the answers are same. If different, that is not collinear.
Yes.
Okay?
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay. మీ వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేయండి మొత్తం అంతా. All of you, please on your videos. Dhanush, Shruti, Raji, Sushma, Navya, Jnanu, Asap, Raju, Bharat, Alekya, Satya, Bhavana, Harini, Shanti, Hemant, Harini, Shruti, Raji, Sushma, Aishwarya,
Sir.
Navya, Nagasai, Jnanu, Indira, Abhishek, Asha Nandini, Bharat, Tanu. Okay. Jnanu,
Sir.
వీడియోలోకి వచ్చి ఒక మ్యాటర్ అది స్క్రీన్ మీద చదువు.
Coordinate geometry was developed by Rene Descartes.
వీడియోలోకి రా, వీడియోలోకి.
French mathematician.
వీడియో ఆన్ చేయరా. ఎస్. ఓకే, స్టార్ట్ చేయి.
Sir, first the second point.
Coordinate geometry was developed by René Descartes. He is a French mathematician. Cartesian plane is called XY plane. The coordinates like XY, first coordinate is called X. This is called abscissa. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shruti,
Sir.
so respond out.
Okay, sir. Chadavana, sir.
Yes.
Coordinate geometry was developed by René Descartes. He is French mathematician. Coordinate plane is called XY plane. The coordinate like XY, it is coordinate is X. This is called abscissa.
Yes. Balaji.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chadu.
Verify that the points 1, 5, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 1 are collinear or not. Collinear point lie on the same line are called collinear point.
Okay.
Example, a line passing AB is same.
Yes, okay. Okay. ఓకే, హోంవర్క్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి మీరు. ఇక్కడ నేను స్క్రీన్ మీద ఇస్తాను, ఒకసారి నోట్ చేయి. Find the distance between points.
Hmm.
3, 8, 6, 8. Second one, -4, -3, -8, -3. Third one, 3, 4, 3, 8. Fourth one, -5, -8, -5, -12. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All of you listening carefully. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన హోంవర్క్ 4 sums ఇచ్చా. 4 sums and same at the same model, same formula. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And page 167 Roman 1 లో third, fourth remaining. Okay. Points are different, formula is same. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Points,
Okay, sir.
each problem to problem points are different, but formula is same. Same formula, 7 sums.
Okay,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Everybody
Okay, sir.
do the homework and immediately
Okay, sir.
post in the after evening on or
Okay,
before
sir.
10 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
ఎందుకంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోతే ఈ రోజు చెప్పింది ఒకే ఒక ఫార్ములా, రూట్ ఆఫ్ x2 మైనస్ x1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y2 మైనస్ y1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఇది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే క్లియర్ అయిపోతే రేపు వేరే ఫార్ములాకి వేరే ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లోకి వెళ్ళొచ్చు మనం.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
లేకపోతే
Okay,
డౌట్
sir.
అవుట్గా ఉండిపోతుంది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఓకే, బాయ్.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
ఇచ్చినవారు మై అవునా ఇంకేది
భరత్ గడు వెళ్ళిపోయాడురా.
ఏం చేయమంటావు ఇప్పుడు బక్కగాడు మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళి స్టార్టింగ్ మొదలు ఎత్తారు బాబోయ్ తీసా
మనం ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపోవడం మంచిది.
నడిచారా బాబు అసమరాజు
सब బయటకు వచ్చే